Habits of a wise woman. Having self-respect. Without honor, you lose modesty, you lose worth, you lose value. Respect yourself for others to respect you. Number 2. Soft speech. Speaking positively, not indulging in hateful remarks, keeping your tongue sweet, not pointing out the fault of others constantly, be easily forgiving. Speak in a manner that pleases Allah. Number 3. Not gossiping. Not indulging in conversation which bring others down. Speak badly of others, look down on others, or spreading the sins of others. Number 4. Gratitude to Allah. Ungratefulness, complaining, constantly criticizing, all factors of an unwise woman. Say Alhamdulillah to whatever Allah has given you and remain patient on any test you are given. Seeking knowledge. Use your time wisely. Spend it gaining knowledge and improving yourself in all aspects, especially in your deen. Number 7. Emotionally strong. Don't succumb to weakness. Handle pressure well and work through challenges. Be in control of your thoughts. Don't let them wander with insecurities and what-ifs. Number 8. Understand silence. When there is nothing good to say, remain silent. Don't get into constant arguments. Master the art of remaining calm. Do not fall into anger. Keep your mouth clean of harsh and unpleasant words. Jazakallahu khair.